best nightclubs in Sydney that only a local can find. Among the most exciting and livable cities in the world, Sydney is one of the world's oldest cosmopolitan cities. Its history, culture, fashion, natural beauty, cuisine, and coastline will take your breath away. Sydney's vibrant nightlife and laid-back lifestyle have always attracted travelers from around the world. Whether it's on the rooftop, in the cellar, by the pool, at the beach, or in a suburban bowling alley, Sydney is a party lover's paradise. Sydney still has some of the best clubs and venues where you can party all night long despite the district regulations that have been placed on its nightclubs. It's important not to get bored during the night and to know where you can have a lively party after dark to enjoy Sydney's vibrant nightlife. Put on your party attire, and here are the best nightclubs in Sydney that only locals can find. Number 15, Good Bar. A luxurious industrial rave experience, this nightclub is made entirely of neon and raw concrete and is located on Oxford Street, Lockout Swimming, Paddington End. Good Bar, which draws inspiration from the Berlin's nightlife and industrial, yet oh so stylish. Warehouse Raves is a favorite among fans of dance music and minimal aesthetics. A chic lounge bar with a laid-back dance floor is on top level and a serious party bunker is on the bottom. International house and techno DJs are main attraction here, along with a changing cast of local DJs. Number 14, The Retro. Best of dancing to classic pop songs and flashback hits, the neon-tinged two-floor dance area of The Retro is located right behind the delightfully daggy glamour of Darling Harbour. Here, surrounded by extremely intoxicated hen parties, you can indulge in some nutbush or practice your interpretive dance moves to the choirs of Madonna, like a prayer, without worrying about being judged. All the pop hits are played by the DJs at breakneck speed. All ages of people are present and eager to have fun. When The Retro reopens, check back. Number 13, Frankie's Pizza by the Slice. Sing along with your rock royalty late at night. Frankie's is a classic restaurant in the heart of the business district that doubles as a classic rock venue. When it's not hosting loud locals and sly-formed performers in its back room, its DJ is pumping out classic rock classics from Zeppelin to Cheap Trick that you'll be singing along to all night long with a warm slice in hand. It's one of the few excellent weekend nightlife options in the city. Number 12, Ivy Pool Club. Best for summertime rivalry, fit for Hollywood royalty. Visit at Open Air Marco Polo Pool Club. If you enjoy your daytime disco transitioning into late night house with a splash, a fun way to treat yourself to a cabana and table service as if you are a featured player in Entourage, is at this slice of LA style Opleats in Sydney renowned Ivy Complex. Yes, you can shimmy on out of your wet togs and straight into the D floor as your party continues into the change room after dark. Number 11, the Lansdowne Hotel. Best after the graveyard shift for low-key vibes and a groove, the Lansdowne is a keep dark corner hotel with big 90s grudge vibes that is run by Jake Smith and Kenny Graham, the team behind Mary's and the Unicorn. For much of 2020, the Lansdowne has been serving up seated gigs and at your table beers, but see some late night grooving on the horizon. Get tickets for a show before you head to the D floor. It typically has a strong lineup of local performers. Then head upstairs to Mary's on top for a burger and fries combo to replenish after all the shaking and moving. Number 10, Soda Factory. Best for weekend dance parties featuring soul and disco music, Soda Factory is the place to go. If you're looking for a place that is all about cheap fun and pumps up party vibes, even on a Wednesday, the place is very popular on weekends for anyone who wants to boogie to the soul music, golden oldies, and disco from the 70s to the present. The lines can be long. Mondays are movie days, Tuesdays features dollar hot dogs, which must be one of Sydney's cheapest dinners. Number 9, Civic Underground. Sydney's top boutique entertainment value, Civic Underground was formerly Civic Theatre. The setting is casual and chic, with a red light strip lining the bar and projecting red hues onto a row of roomy white booths. 26 LED square panels that continuously change color illuminate the ceiling, adding the club's already sensual and seductive ambiance. The venue has an impressive sound system that includes the Ramza SX1 FOH mixer and a renowned Allen and Heath V6. You and your performers will enjoy the best possible experience at Civic Underground. While watching the DJ or band on stage, guests can dance on the sunken dance floor. Furthermore, the venue features a movable DJ console, plasma installations, and curtain devices. Number 8. Oxford Art Factory. The best place for live music and a boogie afterwards. The combative Oxford Arts. It's one of the few live music venues still operating on Oxford Street, which was once swarming with them, and it continues to present amazing concerts in a relatively small setting. The mosh pit is known to get sweaty, and foreign bands that are visiting the city will typically perform here unless they are a size of Coldplay. Additionally, the locals gallery bar features independent electronic producers and DJs, in addition to local performers. A fantastic night out is assured. Number 7. The Cliff Dive. In a tropic oasis, this is best for grinding to trap music. The Kind Tiki nightclub, with an underwear theme in Sydney, has been attracting large crowds and served up tropical themed drinks for a while. When you settle into the sunken dance floor with a pineapple in your hand, you won't have to leave, even though there is a lot to take in visually due to the sensory explosion of lightning and shipwreck decor. Prepare for a time of aquatic grind, as a hip-hop, tramp, grime, and Airbnb have recently taken over Cliff Dive's vibe. Number 6. Home the Venue. Die-hard club fans will love the world-class views from this club. The bangers will be booming when you get home, and you'll be bouncing off the walls with a beautiful view of the glittering Darling Harbour lights sparkling in the starry eyes. Home, hailed as Sydney's only real super club, hosts a variety of events and filters a glitter cannon once a week at Homemade. There are 8 rooms, 3 levels, and a variety of DJs, spinning houses, techno, trance, and other genres. Hectic? To learn when Home reopens, check back. Number 5. The Imperial Hotel. The best place to go for outrageously fun queer nights in the Inner West. Do you recall when Guy Pearce gave the name Priscilla, Queen of the Desert, to a massive silver bus? This movie's champagne smashing scene actually took place in front of this establishment. It should therefore come as no surprise that it is still a beloved haven for the LGBTQIA community, since this enchanted location is home to the party crews behind Heaps Gay, Glittering, and Hanako Disco. Go downstairs to the sizable basement club, which attracts the most glamorous crowds, which is international performers and DJs, nightly drag shows, and old school parties. Tunes are available upstairs if raves aren't your thing. Number 4. The Junction. Local legends and party kids will love this. Bondi Junction is the last place you'd anticipate in this city having respectable clubs, according to locals. The suburb, which was previously known for more its mega mall than its dance floors, has experienced a renaissance since the lockouts. And the Junction, previously the Jam Gallery, is a popular venue. Every day of the week, enjoy jazz, Latin music, and reggaeton. Number 3. The Club 77, techno, disco, and rave cave, weirdness at its best. The infamous former residence of Electro Clash in the CBD has undergone a number of changes over the years, evolving from a rave bunker to a chic underground bar. Their music lineup reflects the rogue spirit, and local legends spinning bangers late into the night and inspiring very early dance-offs from Sydney's Gardens of Taste. Number 2. Gurus, the best place to party with exceptional sides. As soon as the sun sets, the Japanese booze and snack place turns into a neon-lit rave party. There are free karaoke booths, fluoro arcade games, and regular early 2000s and 90s nostalgia nights, so you can call it a party playground. What could be better than sacrificing down a delicious plate of yakari and then dancing till the dawn to the sounds of Nelly? Nothing at all. Number 1. King's Cross Pavilion. Every late night and 20-something under the sun frequent the beloved Bayswater Road Club, which was concealed inside a grand Victorian terrace. It was iconic, to put it simply. This location was the pinnacle of King's Cross in its heyday. From the cocktails served in teapots to the dark dubstep room at the back, one of them anyway. So yes, even though it will have a new name, we are incredibly thrilled about its reopening. The King's Cross Pavilion is what we offer. In its new iteration, the club's sticky floor essence survives despite being renamed and ditching the old sound system. DJs take over 3 different rooms, Vodka Red Bulls flow, and Sunday sessions late until 3:30 a.m., making good use of the newly tuned sound system and dazzling DMX Lightning program. Most importantly, the teapots are back. There you have it, the best nightclubs in Sydney that only locals can find. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.